Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 Ram 2500 Laramie manual diesel Cummins. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm trying to get both angles for you as well on the truck so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing the videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has the rear tinted windows there, the tow mirrors, running boards, new tires all the way around, new rubber. We'll get down on tire size here in just a moment. Tow pack, backup camera. As you can see, it is the long bed. What makes this one extremely popular is the fact that it's a manual. It's manual diesels. It's crazy how many phone calls we get on these things. Down here on tire size, hopefully that helps. Like I said, new rubber all the way around on it. Fog lights. Sorry about that. I wanted to focus on me. Fog lights. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks. Power memory seat. Let's get the condition of the leather. No rips, tears, or stains. The third seat in the front row, so if you need to seat 6, that is available. This truck. Let's get the back seat here for you real quick. Probably should keep the door open, huh? Sorry about the glare's really killing it. I do apologize. Has that nice wood grain. Plenty of room in back. Holy smokes. Power rear slider there. Again, no rips, tears, or stains. In great condition. The rear air there. And then we got factory tow assist there. And then we got steering wheel controls there. I can kind of block out the sun for you. There's the mileage there. Relatively low miles for the year. Media center here. Kind of block that sun there. Media center there. Backup camera, Sirius satellite radio. No navigation. If you're curious, as you can see, there's the Jake brake. And you have the heated seats here, heated steering wheel there. And then, of course, again, the 6-speed manual. Let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Alright guys, now I say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others. So you know what you're looking for, so I just want to try to get it in here the best I can. All of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. all of those things. So please keep that in mind. And I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. That's huge for us. Oh. AC is blowing cold. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Let's make sure we're in neutral. The U-connect. All that in there for you. Let's see if I can't put it in neutral. There's the backup camera there. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.